Hi everyone, it's Gayle and I am here with an Etsy share this morning. So it's a small one, but I'm excited to share all of these fun things with you. So, first off, we have a sample pack from Journey of Crafting. Of course, her link will be in the description box below. So Natasha from Journey of Crafting sent this sample pack. So let's I've got her little letter right here, so I will refer to that if we need any additional info. Okay, so she first talked about the napkins, so let's pull those out. You have some samples of it. She's got new 4-packs of napkins in her shop. She thought the ones packed for me would go nicely with bags, cards, papers I've pulled out for you. It would make a lovely spring or bead journal. So look at these. Love these with all the beautiful flowers. Isn't that pretty with all the butterflies and everything? Love that. Oh, and look at the bees. How fun. Little sweet bees and flowers. Little daisies at the bottom. And some more bees. Those are awesome, Natasha. Thank you. And then, let's see. Laces. Many new and old laces. She's attached the SKU number. Let's see here. Oh yes, she's attached the SKU number on each sample piece, and so that I could keep them organized, she said. So you can search for the number associated with each lace or trim to find the one you're looking for. So, for example, my favorite lace number is 41. So that's my favorite lace. Thank you, Natasha. So if I put 41 in the search bar, then this lace will come up. So that's a great way to make it easy for your shoppers. This one is 46. This pretty little one is, is 47. Oh, and this is lovely with the little silver edges. This one is 39. And then this little blue trim is 40. So, what a great way to, I love myself a little organization. So thank you, Natasha. That's awesome. So then once you get to the end of it, you got to go back over and order some more. So there's the lace. Let's see. Bags and cards. I wanted to create something that would go well with the wonderful weather we've been having. So I did some Mod Podging on bags and cards. The cards will be great as is or decorated further. So that would be these. These are the little cards. And yep, you can feel the napkin decoupaged on there. And I agree. They would be. They're just so cute. They're so cute. You could put a little label on or something if you wanted to, but super cute little cards. And then these are bags. The bags that she did the decoupage on. I love that. I just love the feel of them. I think they're so yummy. So there's that. Let's see. Papers. So as always, she has a variety of themed papers. This one is called Capri by Prima Marketing. So let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. Pretty on the back. That's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Love all the roses. So pretty. Oh, and look at the fun postcards on the back. There's that one. And this one. Oh, that's wonderful. Yes. And then she also included in here a couple of this little packet of some ribbon. It's got some beehives, so perfect for bee journal. Got to have one of those in my near future. Then this is from Blue Fern Studios, A Romantic Life, and it's Ephemera from that. So all of this just sort of coordinates together. So there you go. That is, oh, whoops. One more thing. It blended into my craft mat. Journal jewelry. I've made several charms and dangles for journals. You can look under journal jewelry section of the shop. There you will find a variety of assortments. So, oh, look at how cute. It's a little bee and butterfly. Oh, that's adorable. Adorable, Natasha. So cute. Thank you so much. So let's see. Anything else? As always, my viewers get 20% off. Coupon code does not expire, and you can reuse. And of course, that's under the sales part of the description box down below. Little arrow at the bottom right of your screen should be. Okay, so that's Journey of Crafting. Oh, then I wanted to show you this. This I ordered from Amazon, which, of course, as always, I really appreciate you going through Gayle's favorite things on my website, which is linked below. And I'll hold that up, and you can kind of take a screenshot or whatever if you're interested in this book. But the Book of Plants, and look how lovely. So I purchased it specifically to tear it apart. So that's how I do it. People ask me, how can you tear apart a book? I buy them specifically for my journal making and to have pretty illustrations and things in my journals. And so that's what I purchased it for. Most of the pages are pictures. So I think it's a good deal, and it's got like what? It's got like 500 pages in it. Yeah. So anyway, if you're interested, this just came and I'm excited. So we're going to play with some of those here coming up. Okay, so there was that I wanted to share. And again, I really do appreciate you shopping through my favorite things. It's an easy way to support me with your Amazon shopping. It doesn't just have to be the items in my shop. If you go through my search, I get the little bit of credit at no additional cost to you. So there you go. There's my little advertisement. Okay, Junk Journal Craft Lena has some new digitals. This one, vintage papers, and this one is an envelope. We've got some tags, and we've got some washi tape. So really kind of cool. Really kind of cool. So there's that. And then this one is her architectural journal pages. And they're lovely, like coffee tea dyed backgrounds with architectural bits on them. This one with some text, some flowers, some more architecture, and then this one. So wanted to share those with you. Junk Journal Craft Lena on Etsy. And keep all of the notes with, so I know what's what. So there's those. And then last but not least today, I have some things from Bella and Gray. Stacy at Bella and Gray, you need to message her on Instagram for her items. She just sells through Instagram. So this is a mixed paper pack that she sent. It looks like colored papers. There's a sack. There's coffee dyed doilies, pages, looks like a guest check, and all sorts of things. So fun little paper pack. Let's pull it open. We have time since this is the last one. I might mention as I'm pulling this out that my Etsy shares may not be consistently on Sundays through the month of May because I'm going to be gone a lot, and so I'll do them when I can. So keep that in mind if you're an Etsy shop owner. So yeah, so doilies and book pages, and this is one of those dotted pages like a journal page. Envelope, kind of a grid paper type thing, music paper. Ooh, a pretty purple envelope. Isn't that lovely? Some Benjamin Bunny pages. And this has more of the same that are undyed. And then, oh, little Sleeping Beauty. I had nightmares about that lady when I was a kid. That was my first movie theater movie, FYI. That's a little fun fact that you may or may not want to know. This feels like watercolor paper, some dyed papers, just all sorts of fun papers in this pack. So, Bella and Gray on Instagram. Yeah, that was my very first movie theater movie when I was a little kid, was Sleeping Beauty. And that crazy witch gave me nightmares. Okay, so there's that. And then I ordered from her. Let's see. I ordered a couple little books, and I kind of specially ordered them in that I wanted some books for die cuts. So, okay, so this one, this is the folio that I asked her for the specific measurements. And so let me show you this. Oh, isn't that pretty? So, yeah, I asked for just pockets on the bottom so that I could put some of my taller die cuts in this. So this will be great. I love it. Thank you, Stacy. Yeah, exactly what I wanted. And then these flip out, which is awesome. And there's a pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. So lots of storage in these, lots of storage. So there's the one that I kind of told her what I was looking for, which was basically just the size of the book and the pockets. I wanted the pockets to just have one pocket. And then this one, she says, Mr. Holt's wallpaper. He probably likes Mr. Holt's better than Timmy. And I have suggestions for what I imagine this folio would be awesome for. Oops, I have it upside down. Don't be putting it upside down, Gail. Little pockets just like the other one. ACTs, she said. Oh, isn't that cute? Yes, for artist trading cards, which are this size. So she thought that would be good there. Tags, perfect. Yes. And postcards. Oh, look, yes. Yes. I think that would be awesome. And then it flips out and you've got the 3 pockets again. So aren't these fabulous? And they're very nicely constructed. So Bella and Gray. And again, on Instagram, I don't know if I know how to link an Instagram on, but I'll try. And if not, just go, I'll just put Instagram and search Bella and Gray. And the Gray is Grey. So there you go. That is the Etsy share for today. Again, I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and like I say, from here on, my Etsy shares, they may be on Mondays. They're going to be whenever I can fit them in, basically, because like I say, I will be out and about several weeks out of May. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Thanks for supporting all these shops that I share. I so appreciate it, and I know they do too. So have a grateful day, everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.